Assalamualaikum and good morning to doctor, friends, and the one watching this video. Today, I will teach you how to use Google Spreadsheet to make table and chart. Now, I will give an example of scenario for using this Spreadsheets. Now, as a prefect, Dennis was told by the teacher to nice and present the merit mark for each sport house before Hari Anugerah Cemerlang was served. He has no idea. He has no idea how to accomplish the task that has been given by the teacher. He also did not know how to use some software. So I will guide him and you how to do it using Google Spreadsheets. So this is example of my table that I do use using this Google Spreadsheets. So first, launch the Google Spreadsheets and then click and then first launch the Google Spreadsheets and click for this blank blank workbook. Then to fill the, to fill the cell with a word, we must click it twice like this and then type the word that you want. So here I will put go masuk and then we will small the size of these cells. And for this I put merit mark. Marker merit, marker merit, marker merit. And then behind I will put this co-curriculum. And here percent. And then here we will put economic. And then percent. And here discipline. Then next is percent. So we will small this size, these cells, then these cells. Okay, here we will put magnesium. And below it chromium, barium, and then vanadium. Then here we will put total. Okay. Okay. In this table, you can put as much as you want. So I will use my own data. Here I will put 600, and then 100 here, and then 100 here. So the total for this total we can count easily using the spreadsheets and put the formula. So for the formula we can use this tools and then you can put here sum sum then brackets, then we can put from C3 until C C6. Just in so bracket again, then type, then we get total. It is 1000. Then for the percent, it's also easier when using the format that is equals C the for the cell for this we use the cell that have the number of merit of the magnesium that is C3. Then divide we using this type. And then we put the this dollar sign, and then we put C dollar sign, then the total table that is 7. So we put 7. Then, then if, if the system of this Google spreadsheets suggest autofill, we just easily click the right button. And then you see he not in the percent format, so we click the D3 until 7, and then click this format as percent. Get value in percent. And then for the dynamic, I also put my own data that is 1000, and then 260, then 360, the last one 100. And for the same ways, we're using the formula that is equals sum sum brackets, yeah, F3 until F6. So F3 is double dots, and F6, and we get the answer that is 100, 1820. And then for the percent, using the same way. So for the cells that including the merit marks for the magnesium in academic is F3, 3 divided by then F. So for the formula, in the between of this dollar sign. So when we put this formula, we, why we put F here? Because the the data for the marker marrying is on this cells F. So we're using F instead of C. So if we're using this, we're using C like that. So when we're using this, because F3 divided with, I call it dollar sign, F dollar sign. Then for the last number of the total, that is 7. So you're using 7. This 7 here. So here. So we put here first F3, but with dollar sign 7. Then so we suggest an autofill. We click right button, and then we click from G3 until G7 from a first discipline like that. Using my own data again, 250, 100. So here using only some some I3 6, then we get 400, and then here okay. Okay. Here SM the formula for percent is equal in I3 equals to this I and 7. Okay, enter. Then click right for the suggested autofill. We click from J3 to J7 in format S. We must click this format expression. Yeah. Okay, so we already make the table and then we can decorate the table. So for me, I want to this magnesium chromium beryllium to have its own color. For magnesium is red, chromium is yellow, beryllium is blue, and helium is green. So we can use click the cell and then click this and then text color we're using red. And then for this, click the cell and then click this word, then text color yellow. Then for here, click this text and then text color blue. Then for here, helium, we can click this cell and then click this word and then text color green. It's simple. And then we want to put this text marker in the center of this line. So click from C1R to and then we click for the merge cell, merge horizontally. Okay, here, and then we put it in the center, just like that. So it's like more, more beautiful. Okay, and then we can color the table. So to color the table, we can click table and then this fill color. We click and choose our own color. So I'm using dark gray. So like that. Also this dark gray, here dark gray. Okay, here too dark gray. Make it even better, we can click this table and then we click the borders icon and then all borders. So get this. It's look more more orange than before. So next we will do a chart. So for the chart it's easy. We click this merit mark from 600 to 200 and then we search for the chart. We can put insert, we can click insert and then click chart and then now this chart. So you can choose your type of chart, but I'm using the pie chart because it's more colorful and more precise. So I'm using it. So you can get this type of pie chart. Then you can edit it as you want. So I'm click this title and then put the merit mark 4 academic, just like that. So that's how we do a table and a chart. So that's all from me. I hope that all the students who watch this video can now professionally using this Google spreadsheet and also have the students use the Google spreadsheet well. I also sorry for my rudeness during this video. I'm also sorry for the lateness of my video because I'm only using the Google Meet software. So it may cause the video not clearly. So that's all for me. Thank you.